The League of Nations was an international organization established in 1920 after World War I to maintain global peace and prevent future wars. It aimed to resolve disputes through discussion, cooperation, and collective security among nations. Although it achieved success in humanitarian work and settling minor conflicts, it failed to stop major aggression in the 1930s. Its failure eventually led to the creation of the United Nations in 1945. League of Nations objectives. The League of Nations was established with the primary goal of ensuring global peace and preventing future wars through cooperation and diplomacy. It aimed to replace military conflict with dialogue and collective actions, maintain international peace and security. The League sought to prevent wars by resolving disputes peacefully and discouraging aggression through collective security, promote disarmament. It encouraged countries to reduce their military strength and arms production to minimize the chances of war. Peaceful settlement of disputes. Nations were urged to settle conflict through negotiation, arbitration, and legal procedure instead of war. Collective security system. An attack on one member was considered an attack on all, ensuring joint action against aggressors. Improved global welfare. Focused on better labor conditions, public health, and humanitarian issues through various agencies. Supervise mandated territories. Manage former colonies of defeated nations until they were ready for self-governance. League of Nations history. The League of Nations was established in 1920 after the devastation of the World War I as part of the Treaty of Versailles to maintain global peace. It functioned as the first international organization for dispute resolution but declined in the 1930s and was replaced by the United Nations in 1946. Establishment 1920. Formally created on 10 January 1920 under the Treaty of Versailles to prevent future wars through collective security. Headquarters located in Geneva, Switzerland, serving as the center for international diplomacy. Initial membership began with 42 founding members and expanded to 58 countries by 1934-35. Early success 1920s successfully resolved minor disputes and promoted cooperation in health, labor, and refugee welfare. Absence of major powers. The United States never joined, weakening its global authority from the beginning. Major crisis in the 1930s. Failed to stop aggressive actions such as the Japanese invasion of Manchuria and Italian invasion of Abyssinia. Withdrawal of members. Key countries like Germany and Japan withdrew, further weakening the League. Decline and ineffectiveness. Lack of enforcement power and unity led to failure in preventing global conflicts. Dissolution 1946. Officially dissolved after World War II, transferring responsibility to the United Nations. League of Nations structure. The League of Nations had a structured system of institutions to maintain peace and promote cooperation after World War I. It included main organs and specialized agencies that worked together to resolve disputes and address global issues. Assembly included all member nations, each with one vote, and met annually to discuss global matters. Council executive body handling peace and security issues consisting of permanent and non-permanent members. Secretariat administrative body responsible for daily operations, reporters, and coordination. Permanent Court of International Justice settled legal disputes and provided advisory opinions on international law. Health Committee worked to control disease and improve global health conditions. Disarmament Commission promoted reduction of weapons to prevent future wars. Mandates Commission supervised former colonies until they were ready for independence. Refugee Commission assisted refugees and displaced persons with relief and resettlement. Slavery Commissions worked towards ending slavery and human trafficking globally. Success of the League of Nations. The League of Nations achieved notable success in resolving minor disputes and promoting international cooperation, especially during the 1920s after World War I. Although it failed in preventing major wars, its humanitarian and diplomatic efforts laid the groundwork for the modern United Nations. Peaceful settlement of disputes successfully resolved conflicts like Alan Island dispute between Finland and Sweden and the Upper Silesia dispute between Germany and Poland. Prevention of small wars. intervened in conflicts such as Greece-Bulgaria dispute, preventing escalation into larger wars. Humanitarian work helped millions of refugees and prisoners of war return to their home countries and provided relief support. Health improvements controlled the spread of deadly diseases like typhus and worked to improve global public health systems. Labor reforms improved working conditions, wages, and working hours through international cooperation and standards. Control of slavery and human trafficking. Tools steps to abolish slavery and reduce exploitation in various parts of the world. Management of mandated territories. Supervised former colonies of defeated powers and guided them towards self-governance. Promotion of international cooperation. Encourage dialogue and diplomacy among nations, reducing tensions in many regions. Failure of the League of Nations. The League of Nations ultimately failed to achieve its main goal of maintaining global peace, especially during the 1930s when aggressive expansion by powerful nations went unchecked. Its weakness became evident as it could not prevent the outbreak of World War II, leading to its eventual collapse and replacement by the United Nations. Absence of major powers. The United States never joined, reducing the League's authority and global influence from the beginning. Lack of military power. The League had no independent armed force, so it could not enforce its decision or take action against aggressor nations. Unanimous decision making. Important decisions required agreement from all members, causing delays and weakening effectiveness. Failure to stop aggression. Could not prevent major events such as Japanese invasion of Manchuria, Italian invasion of Abyssinia. Withdrawal of key members. Powerful countries like Germany and Japan left the League, weakening its strength. Weak enforcement of sanctions. Economic sanctions imposed by the League were often ineffective and not strictly followed by the member states. Dominance of Britain and France. The League was largely controlled by United Kingdom and France, leading to bias and lack of trust among other nations. Focus on national interest. Member countries prioritized their own interests over collective security, reducing cooperation. Slow and inefficient response. The League often reached too late to crisis, allowing situation to worsen. Failure to prevent global war. Its inability to control rising militarism and aggression directly contributed to the outbreak of World War II.